G'day, I'm Craig from ShellBee Homestead and this is Jennifer. Today we're in the kitchen, we're not outside, that's right, we're in the kitchen. Why? We found a hot sauce that we both want to make. Tell us a little bit more about this hot sauce. What's it made with? What chilies is it made with?
Jalapeños.
Jalapeños. Now we do have jalapeños in the garden, but this is a test, so because they're not ready yet. So this one here is a test. We actually bought these jalapeños, I know, right? But it's a test to see how they go before we actually use our jalapeños and unload this on the rest of society, including you, yes. Stay tuned as well. New website's about to be dropped very, very soon. Meanwhile, this hot sauce, it's a jalapeno hot sauce made with jalapeno peppers. What else is in it? It's got oregano in it. What else?
Cilantro.
Limes. Onions. Garlic.
Vinegar.
Cracked pepper. Vinegar. All the good stuff as well. So stick with us because today we're going to bumblefoot around the kitchen and try and make this jalapeno hot sauce. Meanwhile, I can't even taste it. Know why? Because I hate hot food. I'm not even a spicy eater, so I can't even taste it. I have to rely upon the spice taste buds of this one here. Yeah, she's got a spicy tongue and more than just food. But anyway, I digress. All right, we're getting into this hot sauce. What do we need first? What do you need me to do?
Wash the peppers.
Okay, wash the peppers I will.
Sauteing a whole onion and 4 cloves of garlic.
And is that got to get soft and brown?
Yes.
Soft and brown first, and then after this we have to add not just oregano, Mexican oregano. Yes, there's a different type of oregano. This is Mexican oregano, hand delivered from Mexico, well, via Amazon. So there you go. So what a good job here of cutting up all the jalapenos itself. But I noticed you're removing some seeds and a white membrane area. Why is that?
That's where the heat is. The
heat apparently is in the white membrane area. So apparently it's called capsaicin. And I know this because we don't say in Australia, we don't have pepper spray. No, we call it capsicum spray because these jalapenos are a class of capsicum. Capsicum, yes, capsicum. Why is it called capsicum? Because the active heat ingredient in this is actually called capsaicin. Capsaicin, there you go. Did you know that? Mm-hmm. So what do you call them peppers still? In America, we call them peppers because they're hot.
I got in my eye. I got in my eye.
Is it hot? Yeah. Hard work here in the kitchen. Someone else is doing all the cooking and I deserve the beer. Hard work, this cooking business. A Mexican oregano hits differently. Actually, you call it, there you go, this is the difference for you. In Australia, it's called oregano. Here in America, it's, what is it?
Oregano.
Oregano. So now we need a half a teaspoon of this here, and I don't know whether I'm coming or going. See, I am helping. Freshly cracked pepper. There we go. Crack. Of course, we're doing, I think 22 peppers, 22 of the jalapenos. We need to do 1.5 cups of this white vinegar at the same time as the peppers go in. And now is the time where you add the fresh cilantro. This one here is from the garden. We picked this one from the garden. So fresh cilantro, in she goes. There it goes, delicious fresh cilantro. Well, actually, I don't even like cilantro, so I can't even say it's delicious myself. And the juice of a full lime. So squeeze away, baby. Squeeze. Not the whole lime, just the juice. Nice job. Meanwhile, it's still blending. You can probably hear it. I've just washed out the bottles themselves as well. So the bottles are nicely and washed out and clean and sterile, ready for the hot sauce, jalapeno hot. What are we going to name this? So here goes the first taste test of the hot sauce. from ShellBee Homestead. Turn around. What is it like?
It's really good.
Is it hot?
For me, no.
For me, it would be hot.
For you, yes.
So should I try it though?
Yes.
On camera?
Yes.
I do this for the likes. That's right. I'm only doing this for likes. Click the like button now and subscribe, and I will do this. Well, I'm going to do it anyway. So make sure that you do if you like this sort of content. In other words, aka me in pain. Oh, it tastes the cilantro. Oh, there it is.
It's not hot.
Okay, I'll be back in 1 second. Oh, crap.
It's not hot.
Wait a sec. Oh, it's better now. Yeah, that's hot sauce. It's still burning.
2 hours later.
Okay, the other thing as well is we've got this little thing called a Nimbot. Now, the Nimbot itself is a printer, and it prints on stickers that we can then stick, or labels that we can label the jars with from there. But we've still got to come up with a name yet. So, I don't know. Should we let them decide?
Maybe.
You guys decide. What should the name be? You know what's in this thing. You know it's got jalapenos. You know it's got lime. You know it's got cilantro. You know it's got all the good stuff in it. Let us know what it should be. Remember, ShellBee Homestead, and then doing something with ShellBee Homestead, and I don't know. I say fire and heat. This one here goes, oh, it's not hard enough to say fire and heat. And yes, that's her voice in my head. But anyway, I'm going to get in trouble. Yeah, so let us know in the comments themselves. Let us know, what should we call this? Meanwhile, we're going to label this XXX for the time being, just to show you how this labeler actually works. This labeler here, how it works and how it prints off. So this first batch is just going to be XXX. So there you have it. How easy was it to make, do you think?
Pretty easy.
Pretty easy, not too bad. So I worked out the cost. So here is all the cost factors for you. These bottles themselves from Amazon are $1.10 each per bottle. The ingredients itself, if you purchased it, that's right, if you purchased the ingredients from Aldi, for instance, then you're looking at an extra, I think it was 90 cents per bottle. So cost factor, $2 per bottle. If we were to sell these in our farm store, you're looking probably $7, so we make $5 a bottle. That's not too bad. Maybe, just maybe, stand by, because very soon we'll see the website, that's right, the ShellBeeHomestead.com website will be going live, and these here may be one of the first things in that website, in that store. So anyway, you enjoy it.
Yes.
I won't be. And we will see you around like a result.